going to start a new bracelet, and for that I have to string all the beads first. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I've already strung them all up, so I will start my bracelet now, like that. I'm using a 2mm hook. I'll chain 7 and then join back into the first stitch with a slip stitch. Now inside that hoop we will work our double crochets. Four, five, like that. Then I'll make one more row. So here's my 2 rows completed. Now what I will do, I will chain and incorporate the beads in. Every time I will make, we have to keep, okay, I have to turn around, make 1 single crochet, then 1, 2, 3 chains. After 3 chain, I'll bring 1 bead inside a row, then I'll make. Now we are at the end of the first row. I done 6 chains and 6 beads, and now I've done the last 6 chains after a bead. After the 6 chains, since we are going to turn, so I will make 6 more chains and then add the bead. We will carry on doing our beads 6 bead with the space of 6 chains, and after the last bead we will make 12 spaces. Then again next 6 bead after the space of 6 chains. Here where there is a gap of 10 chains, what we will do that we will place a bookmark at the 6th chain. One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. So I'll place a bookmark inside the 6th chain. And then I'll show you how it's going to be here. Now I have come to the other side, so I will join in with a slip stitch into the next stitch. So this was our next stitch, so I'm going to join in with a slip stitch. Then I'll make another slip stitch into the next stitch, then start working on the other side by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Then I will bring the bead and carry on going the other side. Now I am at the end of the row again, so I am going to make 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Place the bookmark into the stitch number 6 chain, yeah, and 7, and then 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now you got the idea how it's going to be. Then I'll come over here and join in with the slip stitch into this chain, this double crochet on top of this double crochet. Now here again I am at the end of the row, so I will join it in this space. Then for the next row I'll join into next chain space. 4 rows are complete. Make 5 chains, and bring in a bead. So here I am at my last row, and what we have to do is that we have to join all these sides together and then make something similar to this which we made on the other side. So to do that, I will make 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then I'll make some chains. 6 are needed to 2 3 4 5 6, and then some extra chains, 1 and 2, to go to the next chain space. Two extra chains, then I'm going to make 1 slip stitch, then 2 more chains, and then 1 slip stitch into the chain 6 space. 1 2 3 4 5 6. The bookmark was at the wrong space. Have to go in there. And make a slip stitch. Then do chain 1. Now I have to turn my work, and I am going to make the double crochets into these chain spaces and in these slip stitches we just made. So I'll make chain 1 and into the second chain try and make 1 single crochet, then on top of the slip stitch. This is a bit tricky to get some stitches out. All you can do is that you can make it underneath here into the chain. Then into these 2 chain spaces which we created in between, we will make 2 double crochets. Single crochet. One in there. That's 4. We have to make 6 somehow. That's 5. Then 1 more in this chain space, which we had made extra after the 6 chains. So we got the base now. We'll carry on. We'll make 2 rows of double crochets. In the first row we'll make normal double crochet, and the second row will be a bit different. Then what we will do is that we will make all the double crochet into one, all 5 double crochets together. This is the first one, second, third, fifth, sixth one. We'll take them all out together in one go and close like that, because we need to make like this. I hope I didn't twist them. Yep. Now look at that. Now after these bracelet findings, the bracelet is complete.